All right, we got a 2016 Dodge Ram 4x4. Nothing. Completely dead in the water. Canbus. Isn't doing anything. Latch the door locks. You saw some attempted activity there. Watch this. I'm gonna come down to the star connector, and I've already identified the leg of the circuit, but watch this. As soon as I unplug that with one hand, if I can, network comes back to life. Cluster's back on. That's pretty cool. It just went to sleep, but we're back up and running. Now I have to, now that I've identified the leg of the circuit, I gotta chase the problem down.